Simits are a Turkish bread with a crunchy sesame crust. Adding the warm water with the sugar and the yeast helps to awaken the yeast. Keep kneading the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Esco ovens have a great bread rising function. While the dough is proving, we can make our molasses dip. This molasses gives the Simits a unique flavour. Toast sesame seeds till they're golden. Divide the dough evenly and then roll into long logs, approximately 15 to 20 centimetres. Put two pieces parallel and then intertwine and twist and form a circle. Then pinch the ends. Once you have a tray full, place them in the oven again for dough proving. Dip the proven Simits in the cooled molasses mixture and evenly coat with the sesame seeds to give you that golden crunch. Once the oven is preheated, we can place them in and they'll be ready when they're golden brown. These can be served with feta, hummus, or my personal favourite is avocado and Vegemite.